Hi everybody. This video is about a strategy that I used last summer to make a couple of hundred extra. So what happened was that I was browsing through YouTube and watching videos, as I many times do, and I came across this video that talked about UGC, and UGC stands for user generated content. So I got interested in it and I decided to give it a try, and yeah, basically that's what happened. So first, let's have a look at UGC and some statistics and what's it all about. So they have actually done some studies about this, and studies show that UGC is significantly more engaging with user-created content, driving 9 times higher engagement than brand-generated content. In addition, social media campaigns featuring UGC can experience a 50% increase in engagement, and UGC ads on platforms like social media attract 73% more positive comments than traditional ads. So all in all, I would say that it's something that companies actually love to use nowadays, at least those companies who have kind of figured it out that this is possible and it's really a good thing for them. And also, consumers tend to trust the UGC more than traditional marketing. For example, 86% of millennials view UGC as a good indicator of brand quality, and websites that incorporate UGC see a 29% higher conversion rate compared to those without UGC. UGC's authenticity resonates well with modern audiences, particularly younger generations like Gen X, who trust it 50% more than traditional ads. So basically, these stats show that UGC is not only more engaging, but also builds trust and credibility with audiences in ways traditional marketing often cannot. What I did was that I tried to figure out some product that we use here daily that we have been happy with. And I came across this cooling coat that our dog uses when it's hot. So I contacted the company. I found some email information from their website, and I contacted their marketing people. So it's a Swedish company, but they have some offices and stuff and personnel here in Finland too. So I contacted their Finnish marketing person, and I asked her whether they were interested in me doing a video about their product. And first she was like, yeah, whatever, you can do a video if you want to, just, send it to us when you're done. And so I made a couple of videos. One was a short form video that was vertical, and another one was maybe, I think, 3 minutes long, and it was horizontal. And yeah, I made them, edited them, and then I just sent them to the lady who was the marketing person of the company. So what happened next was a little bit surprising, because the lady absolutely loved my videos, and I was like, what on earth is going on here? Because, I'm not a professional content creator or anything. And to be honest, I probably am not even the best editor of videos. So I was like, yeah, that's interesting. So she wanted to use the videos, and we agreed that she would, or not she, the company would compensate me for 200 euros for the videos. So that was really nice. So if you have something on your mind, you have a product that you use like daily or quite often that you think is very good, you can always contact the company and ask if they would be interested in you making a video for them. So that's nice. Thumbs up for that. So how do you make a UGC video? Basically, it's just a product review. So you find a product that you like, that you use regularly, and then you just go through the pros and cons and why the product is useful to you in a video. So it's quite simple. It's not that hard. Basically, you just have to have a camera, or everybody has a iPhone or something in their pocket nowadays, so it doesn't require that much of investment into the gear. And maybe you need to learn to do some editing, which is not hard. And I'm personally using Canva to edit my videos. So let's have a look at the video that I made. It's in Finnish, so you probably will not be understanding a word of it. But anyway, I just wanted to show that it's not so fancy. It's not particularly high quality, but that's the thing with UGC. It's just usual everyday people on the videos with the products, and that's quite relatable. So I think that's the main reason that it's so popular, or so efficient, I would say. Yeah, let's go and have a look. I'm not gonna put it all of the 3 minutes here, but just some clips so you get the idea.
Joskus harvoin, kun meillä kesällä tulee niitä kuumia päiviä, että on vähän jo liian kuuma ja ei ole enää kellään hauskaa, niin mä oon kyllä huomattu, että ei ole myöskään tuolla koiralla välttämättä hauskaa. Islassa on kuitenkin aika paljon tummaa väriä, niin se vielä lämpenee tuossa auringonvalossa sillä tavalla, että tahtoo vähän läkähtyä. Me ostettiin edellisen koiran aikana joskus 3 vuotta sitten suunnilleen tommonen viilennystakki, ja se on toiminut meillä kyllä todella hyvin, että on oltu erittäin tyytyväisiä ja koirakin näyttää, että jaksaa paljon paremmin kuumina päivinä. Tää meidän takki on Back on Trackin valmistama ja se on 2 tarrakiinnityksellä plus takatassut menee tommosista tassuremmeistä läpi. Erittäin helppo käyttää ja pukea ja riisua. Takin käyttö on erittäin helppoa, eli kylmällä vedellä esimerkiksi suihkussa kastellaan takki läpi kotasin, ja sitten kun se on kasteltu, niin puristetaan ylimääräiset vedet pois, se ei nyt valu hirveästi. Ja se oli käytännössä aika lailla siinä. Sen jälkeen vaan puetaan koiralle takki päälle. Takin pukeminen on tosiaan helppoa, toi on tarrakiinnityksillä, niin ei muuta kuin heittää koiran päälle ja pari tarraa kiinni ja sillä hyvä, ei muuta kuin pihalle. Me on huomattu ihan tuossa kävelyllä käydessä sitten kuumina päivinä, että koira jaksaa paljon paremmin pidempiä matkoja kävellä ja paljon reippaammin kävelee muutenkin, että ilman takkia helposti menee siihen, että kävelyn kesken etsitään vaan varjoinen paikka ja jäähän seisoskelemaan sinne ja matka ei oikein taitu, mutta takki päällä painaa menemään ja on erittäin tyytyväisiä.
And if you think that you would be interested in this kind of marketing idea to make some extra money, but you think that you are absolutely horrible in making videos, so I might have a nice video for you to watch. It's on my channel. It's a short tutorial about how to make short videos, and yeah, you can go and watch it if you want to. I'll put it onto the end screen and I'll link it down into the description as well. So there you have it. That's all for now, and thanks for watching, and